He was the father of chemical warfare, but also the father of modern agriculture, responsible for deadly poison gas in World War I and for the invention that feeds over 4 billion people today. He created weapons that choked soldiers to death in trenches, but also invented the technology that feeds half the world. Dr. Fritz Haber, a man of brilliance and brutality. War criminal? Savior of billions? This is his twisted legacy. In the early 1900s, the Earth was running out of food. The problem? Plants need nitrogen, and natural sources were limited. Haber discovered how to extract nitrogen from the air, creating synthetic fertilizer through a process now called the Haber-Bosch process. It turned air into food. Today, that single invention supports crops that feed over 4 billion people. Some call it the most important invention of the 20th century. But then came World War I. Haber turned his genius to a darker purpose. He developed poison gas weapons like chlorine and phosgene. His gases were used in trench warfare, killing thousands in horrific ways. In 1915, he personally oversaw the first large-scale gas attack in Belgium. His wife, also a chemist, was so horrified she took her own life shortly after. After the war, Haber was seen as a war criminal by some and as a hero by others. He later worked on pesticides and industrial chemistry, some of which were ironically related to chemicals later used in Nazi gas chambers, though he died before the Holocaust began. Haber was Jewish, and in the 1930s he was forced to flee Germany due to Nazi laws. So, what do we make of Fritz Haber today? His process revolutionized agriculture, lifted billions out of starvation, and arguably prevented mass famine during the 20th and 21st centuries. But he also pioneered chemical warfare, leaving behind a trail of death. He saved more lives than almost any other human, but also took part in developing tools of mass killing. A genius, a monster, a man.